Hello, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Today, you saw the title. I got a big task on my hands. I'm gonna be cleaning my college house. Seven girls live here, so it gets super messy. It's normally super messy. And if you know me, you know that I love when it's clean. So I'm gonna do a deep clean the crap out of this house today. And then we're also gonna do lots of organizing. Gonna go to Target and buy a bunch of organization things that I feel like we need. And yeah, are you guys ready to see it? It's not a pretty sight. Oh boy. All right, first order of business. Let's clean up all the crap and trash, all just like the random things. Let's do it.
Yeah, bottles on me, long as someone drink it. Never drop the ball, fuck it, y'all thinking. Making sure the young money ship is never sinking. About to set it off in this bitch, Jada Pinkett. I shouldn't have drove. Tell me how I'm getting home. You too fine to be laying down in bed alone. I can teach you how to speak my language, Rosetta Stone. I swear this life is like the sweetest thing I've ever known. About to go kill a Mike Jackson on these niggas. All I need is a fucking red jacket with some zippers. Super good Smith-O, a package of the swishers. Did it overnight, it couldn't happen in the kicker. Y'all know them, well fucking me either. Point the biggest skeptic, gotta make them a believer. It wouldn't be the first time I done it, throwing hundreds where I should be throwing ones, bitch, I run it. Yeah, I swear I got this shit that make these bitches go insane. So they tell me that they love me, I know better than it's just game. It's just what comes with the fame, and I'm ready for that, I'm just saying. But I really can't complain, everything is kosher. 2 thumbs up, Eva and Roper. I really can't see the end getting any closer, but I'll probably still be the man when everything.
Okay, I've done a lot of cleaning. I need to do like vacuuming, wiping down all the counters, organizing things, and I need to do like the dishes and stuff. I have this like huge mound of everyone's things and I don't know whose is who. So I like don't know what to do because it's just like this giant pile, you know, like we got random stuff. There's also this lovely shoe pile. I think I'm gonna bring everyone's shoes to their room just because they get all piled here and there becomes like way too much eventually. What do you think? Now we're done with like the tidying up for the most part. Gotta do the dishes. Hi.
Hi.
Bella's appearance.
Okay, so I just went golfing, but I want to tell everybody. Brooke's cleaning.
Yeah.
But I wanted to tell everybody. So we were on the 6th hole, I think it was. I hit an old man while I was golfing.
You hit what?
I hit an old man.
With the golf ball?
Yes.
Wait, what?
Okay, let me
Did you
explain
yell
this.
for?
Well, Brooke, here, this is what was happening. I like swung. That was a shitty swing. Don't judge me for that. I don't have all the space. Big gust of wind and it just jets right. And like it was too far right by the guy before I can like actually yell for him to be prepared. Hit his golf like bag. I hit an old man.
That's so funny.
So see, I can't stop staring at the fucking.
I know.
Okay, let me find her. Brooke is cleaning. I will be reorganizing my arm looks massive. I will be reorganizing the bar cart, and all of us are over 21 in at least one other state to have this alcohol. Thank you, bye.
Bitch, you thirsty, please grab Sprite. My crib's lurking, don't die tonight. I just wanna dance with you, baby. Just don't move too fast, I'm too crazy. Man down